What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a windshield, a sunshade, and that's just going to protect it from the summer heat and also protect your dash from cracking and getting more exposed to the UV of the sun. So this one's by Pigenius. It's in this nice little case. So if you guys were interested, I'll leave a link down below on where you can buy that. I got it very fast because it's on Amazon. So Amazon Prime. Shipping, and you can kind of see the construction of this is that nice cover craft kind of it's like a metallic and then like a felt material inside, and it has a nice insulation. So pretty simple to install. You just put it in here and just slide this bad boy in like this. And that's it. It covers it perfectly. Look at the fitment. Great. So it gets it nice and tight, very tight actually, and you just close these bad boys up, and you're set. All right. So yeah, the Pigenius, it fits perfectly around these edges, and it goes up really high. Now I could get it a little bit higher, but I have a dash cam that it's kind of hitting, but imagine if you didn't have that little camera right there, we'll be able to push it up all the way. So this works with the Integra 2023s and up, and yeah, so really happy with this product. Looks like we can move it, shuffle over here, but it's just nice and insulated, and it will protect that inner dash. Love the fitment right here. This is the main area I wanted to focus on. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below on where you could buy it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.